Okay guys, so here my plant, I have a sucker here, okay? Remember I said the sucker starts to grow from the, if you want to call it, we can say the armpit, right here, the suckers tend to grow. So in order for me to have a healthy plant, I always come and I will pinch off my suckers. Of course, sometimes I might miss one, and like this one, it will get somewhat big. But I want to show you what you can do with your suckers. You can actually root it and plant it back in your garden. So I'm going to cut off this sucker here and I'm going to root it. There's another sucker I saw on another plant, which is actually a bigger one. And we will plant it back in the garden. Can you see that? Okay. So here I have this sucker here. And I have another one that is growing here, right here. See that? We're going to cut that off as well. Okay. So what we're going to do, all right, so what I'm going to show you guys is how you can root these suckers, and you would have 2 more tomato plants for your garden. Okay, so here I have a glass with water. I'm going to put my suckers into the water, and we're going to wait until we see roots appear, and then we will plant it in our garden. To note guys, make sure that you cut your sucker at an angle as you see there in the picture. Okay guys, so we had our sucker in the water for some time, and now as you can see, it has rooted. You see that? It has developed roots. And so now we will be able to plant this sucker. Of course, when you now plant it, you would really have to take care of it because, you know, it might want to wilt and everything, but if you keep on watering it, it will catch itself and it will continue to grow. So that is how you can get another tomato plant from a sucker. And when you grow your own tomatoes, you can harvest a tomato like this from your garden. Happy planting!